Hey, in this video we'll be showing you how to install our Etchus coat hanger and rear courtesy light covers. Now this is going to require a little bit of disassembly. There is a Phillips head screw here, and then you're going to have to slide this out to remove it. Once you have the screw removed, you can just slide it out of place. There will be an electrical connector with a clip. You lift up on this tab and you can pull the connector free. Alrighty, so back over on our bench. This is going to require a little bit of disassembly because, as you can see, we're only swapping over the cover. The light connector and everything needs to be swapped over to the new cover. Now these are side specific because, as you'll notice, the space that's cut out for the switch is in the same spot on both sides. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver or a pick. Just going to pry this part back here and lift up gently and pull it and separate the cover from the light assembly. Now at this point, you can simply reassemble the light. What we're going to do an LED upgrade on this light. You can do any color you like. We're going to do a white LED in here. Alrighty, we've got our new bulb installed. For a full how-to on how to change the LED bulb in this courtesy light, there's a link to a video where I do a complete LED install on 95 Impala SS, and I go into detail on how to change these. It's a little bit involved, but it's not too bad. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and line this up, and we're going to take this back over to the car. Got all our parts. Let's go. Alrighty. So first we're gonna reinstall the electrical connector. Now this will get tucked in and back like so. We'll line up the light switch with the opening and push it into place. So that will hold into place for now. Then we can install the coat hanger. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or installer.